Ladies, in our busy lives, finding a moment just for ourselves can feel like a luxury. But what if that luxury was not just accessible, but beautifully curated? Imagine stepping into your own personal sanctuary, right at home. That's where the exquisite Luxetique spa gift baskets come in. These aren't just products, they're an invitation to indulge your senses and soothe your soul. Each basket is a treasure trove designed to transform your everyday into an extraordinary escape. From aromatic bath bombs that fizz away your worries to silky lotions that caress your skin, every item is chosen for pure pampering. You deserve this level of self-care, this dedication to your well-being. It's a symphony of scents and textures, crafted to melt away stress and leave you feeling utterly refreshed. Ready to elevate your self-care routine or surprise a cherished woman in your life? The Luxetique Spa gift baskets are waiting for you on Amazon.com. Simply search for Luxetique and discover your perfect escape. Because true luxury isn't just about what you own, it's about how you feel. Give yourself, or someone special, the gift of unparalleled relaxation and radiant well-being. Indulge in the glow you deserve. Please click the like button and subscribe.